Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my page, Dr. Rekha Sehgal, Homeopathy for Mankind. First of all, a big thank you to everyone for supporting my videos. So, let's start with a very interesting topic today, that is anorexia. Anorexia means a patient complains of not eating well or under eating or completely loss of appetite for a considerable amount of time with a steady loss of weight. This is a very common problem which you will find in your clinical practice. As you all know, food forms the state of the mind. One can be healthy from mind as well as body if he or she eats a healthy food. But nowadays our scenario is changed. We are now dependent on more on chemically frozen or bleached food which have a destructive effects on our body. We are compromising with the chemical compositions and the nutritive value of the food. These kind of food which are either too pungent or salty or bitter or sour could give intoxicates your body as well as your mind. They can destroy the intellect level to some extent and thereby inviting the problem or disease condition in your body. As you all know, most of the female problems are related to the improper or under metabolism of the female hormones. These hormones require a proper balanced amount of various vitamins, enzymes, folic acids for their function. So, nutrition plays a very important role in prevention and treatment of the female related problems. While taking our case, it is mandatory for every physician to make patient aware about what could be the danger of starvation. When you starve a lot or when you're not eating a proper diet, you are inviting a lot of problems to your body. It could be at the level of the mind where you will be feeling a lot of tiredness, debility. It could be weaken your immune system where you will be unable to fight illnesses and thereby inviting infections to the body. Or you can have a various menstruational disorders like amenorrhea or long-term diseases like anemia. So nutrition is very important part during the case taking. We have to inquire what kind of the food the patient is consuming in his daily lifestyle. There could be many causes which could be related to anorexia. During the case taking, we have to inquire what could be the reason for which the patient is not eating well. It could be at the level of gastric troubles. There could be a lot of indigestion problems, which is leading to this problem. Or there could be a history of any medications like painkillers, antipyretics, or diuretics, antibiotics, which are depressing the appetite of the patient. Or there could be a various acute illnesses. As you all know, nowadays a lot of viral infections, the fevers are prevailing. This could lead to acute problems of anorexia. Or there could be a reason of hormonal imbalances or irregular or sedentary lifestyle could be responsible for not eating proper. So it is very important for every physician to take the detailed history of the patient's diet. Now, what are the homeopathic medicines which could be prescribed in these cases? The first and very important medicine is alfalfa. As you all know, it is a medicine which not only increases the appetite but also makes the patient to gain his or her weight. It is very useful for the patients, those who are having some neurotic problems or nervousness issues or loss of sleep complaints. This remedy not only improves the appetite but also makes the patient physically and mental well-being of the patient. This remedy is always prescribed in mother tincture with frequent repetitions and could give a very good results in your clinical practice. The next remedy is Gentiana lutea. It is a remedy which is usually given in the cases in tincture form where there is a history of any severe illnesses. It is very good in cases where there is a loss of appetite because of prolonged intake of steroidal treatments or any severe illnesses which have led to the problem of anorexia. The third remedy is lycopodium. As you all know, this is also indicated in lot of cases where the patient complains that even if eating in a very minimal quantity, the appetite is okay. She is feeling that the stomach is full and she can't eat more. There is also a craving for sweets. The fourth remedy is antimony good. This is given in the cases where there is a history of indigestion, acidity, and the patient has always complained of loathing of food. There is regurgitation problems and there is a desire for acids, pickles, and a lot of irritability is also seen at the mental picture. The fourth remedy is Cinchona officinalis. A common name in your clinical practice is China. This remedy is given for the cases and works wonder when you prescribe in cases for acute illnesses. As you all know, today in now present scenario, a lot of fever patients are coming to your clinics and they are always complaining along with this fever there is a loss of appetite. So this remedy really gives a drastic and tremendous results in your cases. It is always prescribed, I always prescribe in 30 potency with a frequent repetition. The next remedy is Nux vomica. It is a remedy, very good remedy where the patient is having a sedentary lifestyle where there is no pattern of sleep, no regular cycles of eating, and there is an indigestion issue and the bitter taste in the mouth, plus the mental irritability of the mind could be reflected. These are some of the remedies which can be used in these cases of anorexia. You have to give advice to the lifestyle modification related to the appetite. You should always advise that to the patient that he or she should eat a healthy nutritious food. There should be a consumption of lot of water in their diet, and the food should be taken in ample amount because they detoxifies all the negative things in your body. I hope this video provides some information related to the topic anorexia. If you have any problem or any query regarding this issue, you can write it in the comment box and I'll try to answer it as early as possible. As you all know, I am uploading my videos on female related problems to create awareness that with homeopathy you can have a drastic results in your clinical practice. Thank you. Enjoy homeopathy. Thank you very much.